Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with some medium black paint on a 10 by 10 inch canvas and a whole dish of luscious, delicious Prizm Pour Colors mixed with vivid polypore. The recipe will be underneath the video. There will also be a 20% off promo code for Colourarte products, which include vivid polypore and the pigments. And probably everything on the site, basically. So I want to pour that paint on here, probably in dribbles, and then I will decide how much of it I want to swipe through with what kind of tool. I'm going to just scrape that off and throw that in the bucket. And I have my tools, I've just realized, are in my other bucket, and all I need to do is dry them off with a rag. I hope there isn't too much water on my fingers, and there they are. Those are my acetate tools. So here goes nothing. Should I put something in there too? Maybe I should. Let's put a little Anita's white metallic and a little mead and black. Let's grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I thought about using my toothy tool. Maybe I will. Let's see what happens. We've got all kinds of room to play. I'm going to take all of that paint though. And I've got it ready to go, so I can always add more if I want to. But I'm going to take this and put it in the bucket. And that spatula too. Because the vivid polypore definitely hardens or dries faster. Let's go ahead and use one of my toothy tools. Because I can. Let's just go nuts. Put some dots in there. I've got wider side too. Not sure I'm done tipping yet. Could still a little paint. Dot a few places in my background. I've got sometimes the things that are the most unexpected are the coolest. And sometimes they're not, but you never know. And I'm definitely thinking of throwing that in the bucket. Grabbing my edge catcher. I'm looking to see if there's anything else I want to do there. I've got another one of these and I think I'm going to use it. Just too much fun. That's neat. I don't know how neat it'll stay once I tip it. I'm a lot nervous about tipping it. I also didn't bother trying to put any cell activator in there. It's just so cool right how it is. Doesn't make me want to change anything. If I were going to put cell activator in there, where would I put it? We might as well try. Try with a little purple. Maybe that'll be subtle. definitely have enough paint to tip. I got a few cells, but not as many as I was hoping for. Let's try a little white. If the background's still wet, I might be able to get something unusual that way. Or nothing at all. I still like what I've got though. It's definitely different. Trying to figure out what to do with the paint on my tool. I'm thinking up here it's going to get a little something something. If I don't like it, I'll just keep playing with it until I do. Or I'll give up. Chances are I won't give up. So let's go ahead and see what happens when I let everything flow. I don't know how far I want it to flow off. It's not going to look like anybody else's painting, I don't think. I see a little spot there I'd like to cover up. Some canvas. Throw a little spiral in there. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. That's interesting. I'm being called to blue, and I have some. And I think I'm just going to use it. Straight from the stick. It's blue velvet. There, kind of like that. It's a little dangerous polluting it, but you can always wipe it off in between. I didn't think about using this stuff for dots yet. Excuse me. I'm wondering. No. Not this time, not orange. I have a little poinsettia. I just felt like a little red. Yeah, I like that. Alright, it's kind of bizarre. Not my favorite yet. That's better. I'm not sure what I would do with this, even in an emergency, to change it, other than swipe through it. And I'm not sure I really am ready to do that. I suppose I could, though. Where's a good swipe tool? Did I bury them all? I think it's going to go this way. I had a scrape dish. Yes, I still have a scrape dish. There's two. Can she save it? That is the question. It's looking a little tough right now. It's a little better. I have some gold I tried to make cell activator out of that wasn't working, but I'm not sure I ever used enough of it. And if I ruin this, okay, it's really loose. Let's just go for it. See what happens. I like the shapes of that better. I might like this in the end. I'm liking those purple cells. I think I want some water dragon. That's quite a bit of water dragon. And then purple and white. It feels weird having you guys here for this, because this debacle is so personal. I like the ribbons that go back and forth and all around. And that was, using that gold was kind of brazen, but I figured it would be gold even if it wasn't activating any cells. And I do actually like what I have now quite a bit. I'm not sure I'm done with it. And I've got 2 minutes left to work. Do I have a smaller? Yes, I do. Smaller acetate tool. Oh, it's coming along good. Even that part I just muffed up isn't displeasing me at all. Glad I added the water dragon and the purple though. It's got some great cells in it and some interesting textures. Just makes me want to put a little black in there and see what will happen. I don't know about anywhere else. I'll grab a straw. was a little worried there for a while. I kind of want, where's my Aztec Gold? That's a new Prizm Pour color. I am thinking I'm not done until I'm done. Let's make sure that's cleaned off. That's some pink diamond. Make sure there's nothing gonna pollute my color, my dish. I'm liking that. Oh, I'm liking that much better. I was already liking it better. Now I'm contemplating that orange again. Probably a mistake. So tempting. I've got 2 minutes to tell you whatever I want to tell you. Which is, can I have a thumbs up for surviving this incredible journey? Let's see if a little orange isn't going to hurt anything. Not sure. I don't mind this. I'm not so sure about this. So we'll just let it become more integrated. Sorry about my head. Sorry about my bottle. Alright. If I can have a thumbs up, I'd love to have that. So thank you very much for watching longer. Sharing my videos when you can. Helping my channel survive. If you're somebody who makes a donation to help keep me producing videos, you will be automatically entered into the monthly drawing, or you'll at least get an invitation. If you look for the icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, it's for PayPal. I'm so distracted right now, I can't tell you. So I'm loving this. I wasn't, but I am. Use the rest of that pink diamond in that corner and call it good. What can I tell you? Thank you for all the kind words and comments that you leave me. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link on the link tree. Thank you for finding the link tree where you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, my Legallerist clothing made in Montreal, my Society 6 store, and thank you for opening Show More and looking under the video and finding my paint pouring recipe. And if you have questions, please ask me. My community board will show you tomorrow's video on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in lessons or purchasing an artwork, please contact me using my email address. It's below the link tree. I love this. It was worth working on until I didn't give up. Let's see if I can get a little closer. I'm so sorry about the artificial light, but it's late in the afternoon here. Anyway, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying thanks for being here. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week around noon. In 2022, it'll be 11:30 or noon Eastern Standard Time. Right now, it's 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. And what else can I tell you? I don't know. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.